Now we will see question 1 of exercise 3.1. Let us first read the question. Given here are some figures. Okay, some figures are given to you. Classify each of them on the basis of the following. Now you are going to classify these figures on the basis of, first is simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex polygon and concave polygon. So you need to tell that which one is simple curve, which one is simple closed curve, which one is polygon and which one is convex polygon or concave polygon. So we are going to classify. These are figures given to us. Let us start. Our first figure, as you can see, this is our first figure. Okay, so this is simple and this is curve also. So this first one, it is a simple curve. So you can write here simple curve or SC. We will write SC for simple curve. Now second figure, if we talk about second figure, yes, it is also a simple curve. So this is also a simple curve. So SC. This figure is also simple curve. Now third one is a curve, but it is not a simple curve because there are two curves given. So this will not come in simple curve. Now moving ahead with fourth one. So fourth one also you can see that the lines are overlapping each other. So this is not a simple curve. Simple curve, there should be no overlapping or line should not intersect each other. So this is not a simple curve. Now moving ahead, fifth one. So yes, fifth one is a simple curve. You can see this is a simple curve. There is no overlapping, no intersection. So this is a simple curve. So this fifth one is also simple curve. So I am writing SC for this fifth one. Now sixth one. So sixth one, yes, sixth one is also a simple curve. So sixth one is also a simple curve. So I am writing SC for simple curve. So seventh one is also a simple curve. Okay, it is simple, there is no overlapping and it is a curve also. So this is also a simple curve. Now here it is not a simple curve, so this will not come in simple curve. Now next is simple closed curve. Now we know that these all are simple curve. Now we will check that they are simple closed curve. They should be closed also. So first one, it is simple curve and it is closed also. You can see this figure is closed. So this one is simple closed curve. SCC means simple closed curve. Now second figure is also closed. So this is also simple closed curve. Okay, so here also simple closed curve will come. Now third one is not a curve, as we have already talked. This is not a simple curve, so this will not come. Again fourth one. So fourth one also is not a simple curve. It is not a curve, so it will not be a simple closed curve also. Moving ahead with this fifth one. So yes, fifth one is also a simple closed curve. So here also simple closed curve. Now sixth one. So sixth one is also closed. So it is also simple closed curve. This is also closed and curve also. So this is also simple closed curve. Okay. So second is done, simple closed curve. This will not come. Now moving ahead, C. C is polygon. Now we have to tell that which one of this is a polygon. So we will tell that which one is a polygon. So first one is made up of straight line segments. I told you that polygon means it should be made up of line segments. So here you can see this figure is made up of line segments. So yes, first one is a polygon. First one is a polygon. Now second one, yes, second one is also made up of straight line segments. So this is also a polygon. Third one, no, third one is not made up of straight line segments, so it is not a polygon. Fourth one, yes, fourth one is having straight line segments, so it can come in polygon. So here I am writing polygon. Now fifth one, let us talk about fifth one. So fifth one, can you see any straight line segment? No, so this is not a polygon. Sixth one also not a polygon. Seventh one, there is a curved part, so this is also not a polygon. Last one is also not a polygon. So only this first, second and fourth, these three are polygons. Now moving ahead, D is convex polygon. D is convex polygon. So what was our condition for convex polygon? All the angles should be less than 180 degree. So first one, this angle is less than 180, this less than 180, this less than 180, this less than 180. But this angle, this one angle is not less than 180 degrees. So first one is not convex. So this will not come. Now second one if we see, all the angles are less than 180 degree. Okay, all these angles are less than 180 degree. So yes, this is a convex polygon. This is convex polygon. Second one is a convex polygon. Now third one is not a polygon, so we don't have to see. Now fourth one is a polygon. Now which polygon it is? Convex. So if you see, these angles are less than 180 degree, but if we talk about these angles, or if we talk about these angles, here the angles are not less than 180, so this is not a convex polygon. Here this is not a polygon, so it will not come. These three also are not polygons, so it will not come. So convex polygon are only this second one is convex. Now moving ahead, concave polygon. So out of this figure, which one is concave polygon? So first one, this one angle, it is more than 180 degree. Okay, so first one is concave polygon. First one is concave polygon. So this is all about first one. First one is concave polygon. Now second one already we have written convex polygon. Third one is not a polygon. Now fourth one is also concave polygon. Why? Because these angles are less than 180. But if you talk about these interior angles at this point, okay, here if you talk about these angles, if you talk about these angles, this much part, see these angles, they are more than 180 degree. So this is a concave polygon. This is concave polygon. So this fourth one is concave polygon. Now these 1, 2 and 3, 4 remaining are not a polygon. Okay, so this was our question number 1. We have classified.